I am Akib Saura from the team Technotectonics, trying to predict earthquakes long before they start. We will predict earthquake using GPR, by which we can save lives of quake victims. By navigating the plates, we will know about the earthquake years before it occurs. Our software that can navigate the velocity of the major tectonic plates using GPR and can also simulate the velocity to notify if they are going to collide. So government will be able to warn the people and evacuate them, and can also stop constructing any expensive project at the endangered area to avoid property damage.